Plerandra elegantissima, formerly called Plerandra elegantissima, or the false Aurelia, is a species of flowering plant native to New Caledonia. It grows 8 to 15 meters or 26 to 49 feet tall by 2 meters or 7 feet broad. It is an evergreen shrub or tree. Its leaves are thin, coppery red to dark green with toothed edges and consist of 7 to 11 leaflets. On adult plants, the leaves are much broader. In autumn, it bears clusters of pale green flowers followed by black fruit. The young leaves are very narrow and dark, almost bronze, with serrated edges. As the plant matures, it morphs into feathery layers of wider green leaves with softer, jagged edges. This evergreen shrub is often grown as a houseplant in temperate regions. It requires high humidity. Keeping the potting soil moist will benefit this plant. Its showy blooms rarely flower indoors. It's a good specimen plant in tubs for home or commercial office corners, or as a specimen tree in larger interior landscape sites. It is commonly cultivated outdoor in Hawaii, Florida, and parts of California. Good companion plant suggestions for this plant include butterfly ginger, fishtail fern, cordyline, elephant ears, tubucina, caladium, and amaryllis.